Hey, Robert Marino here with Sentry Equipment.
And Angelo D'Ambrosio.
And in today's Recipe for Success video series, we're going to be making a honey pistachio ice cream. So all the ice creams that we've been making over the last little run of our Recipe for Success have been different. They've been inventive, they've been creative, we've tried to touch upon key demographics. We've tried to make different ice creams for different demographics to cater to different cultures. This one is a honey pistachio. So pistachio is a really, it's an older flavor of ice cream. It's been around forever. It's very polarizing. Some people love pistachio, some people don't like pistachio. Infusing honey in it kind of opens it up to a little bit more of a bigger blanket, more of a demographic. And what we're trying to teach people in this series is what you can do with ice cream. That if you have a traditional flavor, hey, pistachio is great. Sometimes it sells, sometimes it doesn't. Well, maybe by adding something to it that's more recognizable, that people know, it kind of infuses your pistachio to even people that already get pistachio and helps you sell more of it or more often, and it opens a window up to new sales and to different cultures and different people. So when you're doing R&D on flavors, we like to start off with the liquid. We're using an unflavored 14% base, so we're going to put 2 ounces of the vanilla extract in there. Because it's unflavored, we always want to add a little bit of vanilla to give the base some flavor. And then we're going to add about 3 ounces of pistachio here. So you can add 3 ounces, you can add 4 ounces, you can add 2 ounces, really completely up to you and what you want to put in there. And then we're going to squeeze in some honey. Now, with the honey, we can measure this. I just like to kind of do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 count of honey, which comes out to be about 1 ounce. And then we're going to whisk that up. Key is here, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you try this flavor in its liquid form before you put it in the machine. If it tastes good liquid, chances are it's going to taste good frozen. But you'd be fooled. Sometimes the frozen can have different effects on different flavors and taste profiles. So you also have to taste it. You can get it pretty close here, and sometimes it's a home run. Sometimes you do have to add a little bit more, or cut back a little bit after its frozen state. The good thing is once you have your recipe, you have it, and you have it forever.
Like with any flavor, you always want to whisk it up real good, get the whole flavor throughout that plain mix. You're getting a good taste throughout the whole thing.
More honey in there. 1, 2,
7, 8, 9.
Make sure you whisk the bottom in and get that bottom good. Definitely has enough pistachio. So we're continuing to whisk here. You see, right, this has a nice green color. This particular pistachio gives it some nice color. If there are flavors that you're adding that don't add color, but you do want color, you can use like an organic food coloring, or some people are against food colorings, but the way they make food colorings now, they don't have a lot of dyes and they're organic, so they're really safe for the ice cream, and that'll give it that color if the flavor you're using itself and the extracts don't give it color as well.